Good morning, all students. Due to corona disease, pandemic disease, or COVID-19 effects, we are not taking the classes actually or practically. So today we are going to start online classes, and here we are going to learn the chapter environmental management from the science part second of 10th standard. So we will start with environmental management. Students, we have learned already in the last or previous standards about the ecosystem. And we know that what is ecosystem? If we see in our surrounding, we can find out there are so many biotic factors as well as abiotic factors and their interactions too. And definitely all these biotic, abiotic factors and their interactions with each other is commonly called as ecosystem. It means that our ecosystem consists of two main factors, that is biotic factors and then abiotic factors. What do we call biotic factors? So simply, all those living organisms are included in the biotic factors. And what are abiotic factors? All those non-living things are included in the abiotic factors. Such as we can find out here, biotic factors are producers, consumers, decomposers. What are the producers, consumers, decomposers? We will see that. The abiotic factors are nothing but the soil, water, air, sunlight, temperature, everything in our surrounding. All those non-living things are commonly called as abiotic factors. It means that all living and non-living things commonly or collectively known as ecosystem. In this ecosystem, just I have already told you that there are two types of factors, that is biotic factors, jaivic ghatak, abiotic factors, ajaivic ghatak. The biotic factors are mainly out of four types. You can see here the primary consumers, which are also called as herbivores. Secondary consumers, which are also known as what? Carnivores. Apex consumers, which are also called as apex carnivores. Mixed consumers, which are also known as omnivores. Among these primary consumers, which are also known as herbivores, ज्यांना आपण शाकाहारी असे म्हणतो. And we know that all herbivores or all primary consumers. Which are the herbivores or primary consumers? Simply, for example, cow, goat, grasshopper, all these are herbivores, or these are the plant eating animals. Simply, we can say plant eating animals. If you think about the secondary consumers, which are called as what? Carnivores, and carnivores are nothing but mansahari. Means all those animals which feeds upon another animals, which eat the meat of another animals, are called as what? Carnivores. For example, we can say that simply there are few examples of carnivores are such as the dog. Or simply we can say some other examples, that is lion, etc., can be also called as what? Apex carnivores or apex consumers. Apex consumers are nothing but the third types of or third level of the ecosystem, and that nothing but the apex carnivores also. And apex carnivores are what? Those animals which feeds upon another animals, but which are not feeded by any other animals. जे दुसऱ्यावर जगतात पण त्यांना कोणी खात नाही, अशा प्रकारचे जे ॲनिमल असतात त्यांना आपण अपेक्स कंझ्युमर्स असं म्हणतो. टर्शरी कंझ्युमर्स देखील म्हणतो त्यांना आपण, किंवा अपेक्स कार्निवर्स असं देखील म्हणतो. ते दुसऱ्यांचं मांस खाऊन जगतात पण त्यांना कोणी खात नाही, अशा प्रकारचे. त्याच्यानंतर मिक्स्ड कंझ्युमर्स. व्हॉट आर मिक्स्ड कंझ्युमर्स? सिम्पली which are also called as omnivores, means mishrahaari. Means those animals which feeds upon the plants as well as another animals. जे दोन्ही खातात, व्हेज आणि नॉन व्हेज. ज्यांना आपण मिश्रहारी असं म्हणतो, ऑमनिवर्स असं म्हणतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल man is the best example of omnivores. So these are the various trophic levels are also, these are also called as what various types of consumers which can be seen in the ecosystem. And all these consumers feeds upon each other as well as on producers, and plants are nothing but the producers. What about the decomposers? So simply decomposers are those microorganisms which decomposes all these consumers, producers after their death, and mix the nutrients or the materials in again into the abiotic factor or get converted into abiotic factor. These are also called as what decomposers. In this way, producers, consumers and decomposers commonly called as biotic factors, and they get the necessary things for their existence, for their growth, development from the abiotic factors, that is nothing but soil, water, air, sunlight, temperature, etc. And just we have seen that biotic and abiotic factors are completely interdependent on each other. This is all about what two factors of the ecosystem. In the last standard, we have seen about the food chain and food web also. What is food chain? Every ecosystem consists of many food chains and food webs also. But what is about the food chain? Food chain कशाला म्हणतोय आपण? So simple, अन्नासाठी. Means it is the chain in which one living organism feeds upon another living organism, and it is called as what food chain. For example, look at grass, which is nothing but the producer. Grasshopper depends upon the producers. Frog depends upon the grasshoppers. Snake depends upon the frog. Eagle depends upon the snake. Whereas the decomposes all these living organisms and get mixed into the soil again. And this form a complete circle. And this continuous chain of a food in which one living organism depends on another living organism for their food is called as a food chain. What about food web? I have already told you that every ecosystem consists of many food chains. एका इकोसिस्टम मध्ये बऱ्याच फूड चेन असतात आणि अशा सगळ्या फूड चेनचं कॉम्बिनेशन, मिक्स्ड कॉम्बिनेशन त्याच्यामध्ये पाहायला मिळतं. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज फूड वेब. वेब मीन्स जाळ. And what is this? It is intricate web of the living organisms which completely depends on each other for their food. In food web, one living organism feeds on two or more living organisms, whereas one living organism can be fed by two or more other living organisms. That is called as food web. The intricate network, intricate web of the living organism is called as food web. This is all about we have learnt in the previous standard and revised here again. We will see the next part in the next period. Thank you.